Molweni Bandase, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Magori and this is Kabza DE Small Top 10 streaming chart comprises of 10 hits that accumulated over 100 million streams on Spotify. Making hits is no child's play, but for Kabza DE Small it's like cooking omelette. Every song on that chart is a hit and some are classics. This is why he is the most successful producer in Amapiano. To continue at this rate since he became commercial in 2018 is one of the craziest run in South African music industry. This also tells us how much our industry have grown into becoming the largest in Africa in terms of influence, revenues, quality and quantity as well. But the only downside to the industry is the number of streams. Songs like Imithandazo, Kusela, Asibe Happy and Abalele deserve over 50 million streams individually on Spotify alone, but the time will come where we will dominate in all phases of metrics. Kabza DE Small is currently a top act in Amapiano scene. His catalog is the one that most musicians would wish to be part of. The beauty about Amapiano is its diversity, with Kabza DE Small focusing more on the soulful piano. That is his distinct sound. As you browse through his music, you will discover how soulful or prayer-based it is. His top 10 streaming chart comprises of Sondela at number 10 with 3 million streams, Iza Mawala at number 9 with 3.8 million streams, Eningi at number 8 with 5.1 million streams, Ola at number 7 with 8.3 million streams, Wishy Wishy at number 6 with 11.3 million streams, Kusela at number 5 with 13.3 million streams, Amazwe at number 4 with 15.5 million streams, Asibe Happy at number 3 with 22 million streams, Abalele at number 2 with 29 million streams, Imithandazo at number 1 with 37.6 million streams. With 148.9 million streams accumulated on the streaming chart, Kabza DE Small is not only a hitmaker but has a potential to be a pop star in the Amapiano industry.